Just finished redoing my daughter's kitchen in what we call the industrial rustic style. It includes the use of black metal pipe and fittings used on old wood or wood that's been reclaimed or wood that's made to look old for furniture, shelving, and molding. The black pipe's also used to hang things like microwave ovens. We also got a salvage restaurant table. We cut up pallets to make molding. We made a tabletop out of old doors. Used the black pipe for the legs. Even the high-tech cable box got a rustic shelf. For the cabinets that we installed, we made the door and drawer pulls using some more black pipe and fittings. We bought some Edison bulbs and some black cloth covered wire and made some nice lighting fixtures. Now here's where the project starts. These drawer pulls and door pulls are what we're going to make in this video. Industrial rustic kitchen cabinet hardware is very popular but very expensive. Take this single drawer pull at $44 or this single door pull at $12.99. Of course, there's a better and less expensive way. I built my drawer pull for $4.86 and my door pull for $1.46. That's only 10% of the cost of the retail units, and you can do the same. The materials I have are a 1/2 inch diameter black pipe, 5-inch long pipe nipple, a 1/2 inch black cap, 1/2 inch black 90-degree elbow, a 3/4 by 48-inch round wood dowel. And on this dowel I've actually stained it with black stain. This is going to be our drawer handle. Pretty simple. You take it, screw it in, tighten it. Sometimes these threads will go in far, sometimes they won't. It really all depends on the device that you get. So I've tightened these up the best I could, and there we are. Let's see how we're going to affix this handle to the drawer that it's going to be attached to. An easy way to do that is to force thread in the dowel. Now since the dowel is about the same dimension, you can do this just like this. Try and get it in as tight as you can. Now I'm going to cut off a piece, and I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch of dowel remaining. So I'm going to mark a 1/2 inch like that. Okay? So now we're going to take the other end and do the same thing. And that one looks pretty good. And all we have to do is mount it. You see, we have plenty of space now with that extra 1/2 inch for the handle. So it's a simple matter of taking this and finding the center, and I just tend to eyeball it because, to be perfectly honest, the eyeball works out almost as well. Now I'm going to take a 3/32 inch bit and drill into the dowel. Now I noticed that when I put this here, it rocks a little bit. That means I have to make sure it's flat. There we go. Now we have to install it on the drawer. This piece is about 3.5 inches, so I've cut that in half, 1 3/4, and I've drawn a line down the center. Now this whole thing is 9 1/8. The distance between these holes is 6 5/8, so I have 2.5 inches excess, which I'll cut in half and make 1 1/4. I'll check it to make sure I did my measurement correctly. That looks good. Now I'm going to drill a through hole. I'm going to use 1 5/8 inch drywall screws because they work very well. So I'm going to drill a 3/16 inch screw hole. Take one screw, put it in. You notice how it goes nicely through there. And I'm going to start to screw this in. Of course, the length of the screw will be based on the material that you're putting it into. There we have our completed industrial look drawer pull. Nice. Feels nice on the hand. Works very well. Well, what about a cabinet pull? Well, that's easy too. Because all you do is take the end cap and do the exact same thing. You put it on. There we go. That looks pretty good. I'm going to do the same thing, 1/2 inch. It's a nice drawer pull. It's got plenty of room. You could even make this 1/4 inch if you'd like it not to stick out so much. The beauty of this is that you can do whatever you want. There is our completed industrial look drawer pull and door pull for a price anyone can afford.